Hey, what is up, you guys? It is I the Charles Ovalle. Just here making another video about the iPhone app. Um, this time, what we're going to talk about, what app we are going to talk about is called Countdown. Um, it looks just like this. Okay, alright, whatever. It looks just like that. Reminder 365 days, countdown. So you click on it, or you tap on it, and the app is gonna open up. You're gonna see all this. Where you're not gonna see all this. When you download it first time, it's gonna be empty. So of course it has ads in the bottom, but whatever. You could still do your thing. So in the upper right hand corner, there's a plus button. You tap it, and it will give you your name, date, category, top, repeat. You can press tap top to toggle that, so your event will be on top. So it will be easy for you to see it. But yeah, I have none at the moment. So go back. So on the upper right corner, or upper left corner, my bad. You go here, and right here you have your settings. So you can mess around with the dates, settings, alarm, customization, and calendar, backup. It even has backup support if you guys need support for this. But I doubt you guys will, because yeah. So, but anyways, this was just a short short video to show you guys about this app. It's really cool, awesome, and it also works with your Apple Watch. So once you download this app, once you get this app on your phone, you will have an app on your Apple Watch automatically. So yeah. Anyways, oh yeah, you can always do this. So see where I clicked right here, upper up, right here. Yours says countdown all. You click on it or you tap on it. It says all, life, work, birthday, go see family, appointment, TV show, right? So I don't know, for me, let's just go. See, it would like categorize it and stuff, and then that's pretty neat. I didn't know this, that you could do this. So yeah, anyways, you got the point. You're right, you guys. So I got back to all, but this was just a video just to show you guys about this app. Really awesome app. It's called Countdown. And it's 365 days. It has the number 365 days on the app. And it also says reminder, but it's called Countdown. So anyways, you guys, hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I do have a PayPal account. If you are feeling if you would like to make a contribution to my channel, because it will help my channel a lot. It will help me, and I'll be really appreciative. So anyways, yeah, you guys have a good one. All right.